contemplating, meditating, still waiting, should've never dated. I've been contemplating, meditating, still waiting, should've never dated. I've been contemplating, meditating.
Okay, beauty, so let's go ahead and get started. I have a box full of MAC goodies that I ordered. Hopefully they're having the sale still, and if they are, I'll leave something right here, but they're having like a 50% off fall favorite sale. So I get a pro discount, so I racked up, okay? I specifically want to try this new MAC Studio Radiance foundation. I'm in the shade NW45. I mean, can we give a hand clap for MAC's new packaging? Like, what? I wanted to do a look specifically surrounding this foundation. I haven't tried a new foundation since I tried the Makeup by Mario foundation, so let's go ahead and get into it. I picked up a number of goodies: primer, lip gloss, blushes, lipstick. So we're gonna do a look, okay? But we got goodies, okay? I'm gonna use a little bit of this lip oil by Ulta, because I feel like my lips are a little bit dry. So MAC describes this foundation as weightless 24-hour hydrating foundation that smooths your texture, evens tones, and blurs the look of pores. They claim that it provides 209% instant hydration for plumper skin. I don't have an issue with hydration in my skin, but y'all know I love a good luminous. I love anything flawless. I'm gonna just be real with you. This is a medium to buildable coverage, water, sweat, humidity, and transfer resistant. Ooh, that's a lot of claims. Okay. They say it can last for 12 hours and it improves your hydration level over time. So we're just going to jump into it. I am going to use this Studio Fix Mattifying 12-Hour Anti-Shine Primer. I picked this up with my order and I've never tried it. So I was like, let me go ahead and grab that. And that's what it looks like. I've never used it, but I've seen some of my fellow makeup artists use it, so I was like, I gotta try that. And they're having a sale. I'm just gonna blend that in. And I know I like to start with brows, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. This is the Benefit Brow Pencil in the shade number 5. This is precisely my brow pencil. I don't have any MAC brow pencils, which I didn't even think to pick up any. I have like a brow gel though. What order do you do your makeup? Because it honestly doesn't matter, but a lot of people put a lot of weight on that. Like, oh no, this is the order it's supposed to be done. And I've never been that kind of makeup artist. I'm gonna be real with you. I've started people's full face, did their brows last. You know? Like, it just depends on what I'm feeling at the moment. And honestly, I feel like when I do their face first, I feel like it like speeds up the process for some reason. Even though you're doing the same amount of things with, you know, everywhere else as well. Alright, so the brows are done. Let's go ahead and conceal under them. So I have the MAC Studio Fix 24-Hour Wear Concealer in the shade NC48. That's what that looks like. And if I don't like this particular concealer like that on my brows, you know, I'm gonna go straight to my trusty dusty L'Oreal Infallible. It's a little too bright for under my eyes. We're gonna go in with our L'Oreal Infallible in the shade Honey. Yeah. I need to pick up another one of those, the way I use that every single time I do my makeup. But I honestly ain't been doing my makeup. I did it for my birthday and that was it. I'm gonna blend it out with this brush here. Okay. So, for the star of the show, let's go in with this. Again, I'm in the shade number NW45. And y'all, this came with a pump. I don't remember my Studio Fix coming with a pump. Where's my Studio Fix? It don't have a pump. I'm sure it doesn't. But it probably do. No, we had to always buy the pump. So I'm gonna shake that up. That's like 3 pumps right there. Very liquidy. Okay, okay. And we're gonna use a brush. I love using a brush. No, girl, you probably need to get a different shade. Nope. You can already see the hydration. Goodness gracious. I'm trying not to get this on my clothes. I'm gonna have to stop putting foundation on my hand. Ooh, y'all. Y'all see that hydration? I can feel it. Yeah, that's a good match. First I was like, girl, you don't know your shade? That's really what I was about to say. I'm gonna take just a little bit more for this side. I feel like I used more on this side than I did over here. I just want it to be even. When I tell you I can tell it's hydrating, I can feel it. I think you can get away with doing 2 pumps. I don't think you necessarily need the 3.5. Me, I'm full coverage, baby. I have tried, and I keep trying, and I try to do that little light bead situation, soft bead that y'all be. Even though y'all think a soft bead means no makeup, it doesn't. A soft bead does not mean no makeup. Okay? But although I have tried to do that, baby, I'm a makeup artist. I'm a full coverage girly. I love a full beat. Do you hear me? Beat, 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 beat. Beat me down. Anywho, let's see. For concealer, let's go in with our... Oh, this is a new one I've been trying too. This is my Lancome Tint Idol Ultra Wear All Over Concealer. I have this in the shade 460W. 460 Suede W, I think it is. I don't like the way I can't pull the applicator out. I don't like that. Give me something that's coming out. Let it come out. On top of that, I'm going to put the... Is it caramel or butterscotch is? I'm going to put Butterscotch by Too Faced in my inner corner. Uh-oh. More in the inner than the outer. I'm going to let that sit for a minute. I do want to cream contour. I should have put this on before I put my foundation on because I've been watching Jasmine Ardell, the way she puts her bronzer on. But I feel like it almost doesn't show through. I don't think she puts anything on top of it. Maybe that's what I'm missing. I'm going to have to take a look at that again. She applies hers beforehand. But we're going to go ahead and just build it up in that area. I'm so used to doing my makeup a certain way, I just jump right in. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna blend this out. I just like my concealer to dry a little bit before I just go in there. Let me blend this out too with the butt of the sponge. Above, I like to go on the outer portion of my concealer just to blend that out with my foundation brush or whatever you used, just to blend out the harsh area. To set my under eye, everywhere I highlight it, I'm going to use my Huda Beauty. This is in Cherry Blossom. This has been the only thing I've been using. I absolutely love it. It's one of my favorite powders. I need to see if they have a smaller version for my kit though. That's what I need to do. This is looking really nice. So because of the radiance or the type of foundation it is, I'm gonna go ahead and just use my Micro Smooth powder from Sephora because it's really light, but it, you know, it's able to do what it needs to do. And I don't have a MAC mineralized skin finish in my shade, which I'm not trying to make this an all MAC video. I'm trying to just use what I like, to be honest with y'all. I wanted to try this foundation with y'all. So then I'm going to go in with my bronzer, the Hoola Toasted Bronzer. Let's do some reverse contouring because I don't want it to get too muddy down there. So we're just gonna carve our jawline out. All right, I'm sorry, y'all. I had somebody come over while I was in the middle of filming, and I came back on here thinking I was recording, and I wasn't, but I went ahead and I did my eyes. I used the Brunette palette by Milk Cosmetics. Very neutral palette, very cute. And no shadows, fire. So I did that on the eyes. And I did put on some blush. I used Max Raisin. Very classic OG, triple OG, double OG blush. Now we're going to do our lips. I'm going to take Cork and Chestnut lip liner to line my lips. Because I want to use that Teddy 2.0 shade. But how good does this foundation look, y'all? So that's Cork. Then we're going to deepen it up. And lastly, I'm going to take the shade Teddy 2.0 by MAC. And it's like a really nice neutral, almost pinky shade. Again, this is the Powder Kiss formula, so it gives that very like soft, subtle, powdery lippy, if you will. That's the final look. I put a little bit of eyeliner down there, mascara. I'm so sorry, y'all. I thought I was recording. Amateur move, honey. Amateur move. I just wanted to really try out the foundation with y'all. That's kind of what I wanted to be the focus. But I think sometimes I'm like, why are we not doing the whole face if I'm showing them like the foundation? So that's what we doing. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Leave some comments down below and let me know if you're going to be trying out this new MAC foundation. I really like the finish of it. If I do anything later tonight, then I'll do some check-ins to show y'all like what it's looking like, if I remember. But it's very lightweight. I like the finish that it's giving me. It's not giving me like a matte finish, but it's giving me that like luminous skin finish, if that makes any sense. Like that's the look it's giving me. So again, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, leave some comments down below on your thoughts on the foundation if you tried it yet. And until next time, I'll see you all later. Bye, beauties.